Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol ZYNE. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think it's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Very nice movement today, not only from a price action perspective, but you look down here at the volume, and by far the biggest volume this chart has had for quite a while. So a lot of eyeballs on this one. So let's map out some levels of support, and then we can talk about areas of resistance. So the first level of support is what I would call the ideal area, meaning, hey Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? And that would be if the price can stay up here above $7.60. Now, don't get me wrong, if the price falls below $7.60, by no means am I saying the entire chart's ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price can manage to continue to stay up above $7.60, that would certainly be a huge sign of power on the bull's part going forward. Taking a step back and looking at things from more so the big picture point of view, that is where the purple line comes into play, the famous 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. As time goes by, this line here is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very basic yet highly effective way to judge the health of the move, this right here being defined as quote-unquote the move. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. However you can best visualize that, no questions asked. Again, yeah, staying above 760 would be great. However, grand scheme of it all, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. What about levels of resistance? As far as the overall level, the area that really stands out to me is right here at, what is that, $8.20. Yeah, I get it, the price did technically go up above it, but that was only for one data point. More price congestion, in my opinion, right around $8.20. So to me, $8.20 seems to be more so that quote-unquote true level of resistance going forward. Any way you look at it, though, as long as the price keeps on doing what it's been doing in regards to building these higher bases over the past few days, everything else will take care of itself, including breaking levels of resistance. So whether you want to call it 840 resistance or 820, point being, just build higher bases and eventually everything else takes care of itself. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.